Welcome. SUMIF function is used to evaluate just one condition at a time, while SUMIFS is used to evaluate multiple conditions. I have applied 5 examples. Example 1. Sum sales amount by specific region. Example 2. Sum sales amount from a specific date. Example 3. Sum units sold by specific region. Example 4. Sum sales amount by region and from a specific date. Example 5. Sum total sales amount from a date and to date. I have prepared a sales report to apply 5 examples on how to use SUMIF and SUMIFS function in Excel. Let's start from SUMIF. Example 1. Let's sum sales amount by specific region. Start SUMIF function. Select full range of region as range. Now specify the criteria. East in this example. Now select total sales range to sum. Close the function and hit enter. Total sales by East region, as you see. Example 2. Let's sum sales amount from a specific date. Start SUMIF function. Select full range of date as range. Now specify the criteria. Greater or equal to. March 15, 2022. 3/15, 2022. Month, day, year. Now select full total sales range to sum. Close the function and hit enter. Sum of sales from 15 March 2022 onwards, as you see. Example number 3. Let's sum units sold by specific region. Start SUMIF function. Select full range of region as range. Now specify the criteria. North in this example. And select unit sold range to sum. Sum of units sold by North region, as you see. Now, let's start working on SUMIFS function. Example 1. I want to sum sales amount by region and from a specific date. Starting SUMIFS function and selecting full range of total sales to sum. Now, selecting the criteria range, North in this example. Now specify the criteria 2. Select full range of date as criteria 2. The date should be greater or equal to. First January 2022. 01/01/2022. Close the function and hit enter. Now I have sum of sales amount by North region and from 1st January 2022 onwards, as you see. SUMIFS example 2. I want to sum sales amount from a specific date to a specific date. Starting SUMIFS function and selecting full range of total sales to sum. Now selecting the date range as criteria range 1. Sum sales amount from 1st January 2022 01/01/2022 month, day, year. Now specify the criteria 2. Again select the date range. The date 2 will be 28 February to February 2022. So less than or equal to month, day, and year. Close the function and hit enter. Now total sales amount from 1st January 2022 till 28 February 2022, as you see. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more Excel related videos.